Today let's discuss Python operators. Python operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. Variables and values. Variables and values. So in this example below, we use the plus operator to add together two values. Print of 10 plus 5 equal to output is 15. So I will show you in IDLE tool. Print of 10 plus 5 and 15. This is output 15. So Python divides the operators in the different groups, like first one arithmetic operators, second one assignment operators, second one assignment operators, third one comparison operators, fourth one logical operators, fifth one identity operators, sixth one membership operators, seventh one bitwise 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 operators. So further these operators with examples and explanation, join our class.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.